Hello everyone. Today, we have the pleasure of presenting to you the third micromotor of the Dynamic family. This time it's the D3 model. Let's take a look inside the box and see what the offered set contains. Let's start from the smaller components: a handpiece stand, power cable, foot controller, handpiece, and the central unit. To test their functionality, we will connect all the components together. In the front part of the central unit, there is a socket for connecting the handpiece. At the back, there is a socket for connecting the foot controller, a power switch, and a power socket. Upon turning on the device, the green LED indicator shows us the standby status. The dial allows for smooth adjustment from 0 to 50,000 rotations per minute. On the right side of the central unit, there is a switch that allows you to select either foot or manual control. An additional feature of the dial is the integrated direction switch for the micromotor. Now, let's take a closer look at the handpiece. It is made of a pleasant-to-touch material. It is lightweight and has protrusions that facilitate a comfortable grip and easy removal for bearing replacement if needed. Once the micromotor is turned on, its operation is smooth and stable. Regardless of the set rotational speed, there are no shock or vibrations. The included foot controller in the set has holes for installation near the workstation and knee control. The brushless Dynamic D3 micromotor is an excellent choice for technicians searching a simple effective device. Its smooth regulation up to 50,000 rotations per minute and power of 100 watts make the Dynamic D3 suitable for various tasks. Additionally, its attractive price is an advantage. For more information, the distributor of the Dynamic brand, ROKO company, is available.